Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Philips. So firstly, make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. And after that, right here at the right earbud, we have this power button. So firstly, press and hold it until you can see the white LED light here. And it means that it's turned off. And also we have it disconnected. After that, press and hold again to turn on it. Here we go. And right now we should have connected. Yeah, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!